Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace a damaged charger port on a UE Megaboom speaker. We do provide this service as a service if you're unsure if you can manage this repair on your own, so you can go ahead and send it into our repair shop. We can get that squared away for you. We also do provide the replacement port part as well if you would like to do it on your own, and if you're having difficulty finding that port anywhere online, so we can provide you with that as well. All of the links should be in the description. So let's go ahead and get going with the port replacement job for this speaker here. I believe this port is all right, but yours could be damaged, or that's a very common issue with this speaker. All right, first thing, let's go ahead and unclip the spine here. Now when you unclip the spine, you're right away meted with the port and the PCB of the port. Now let's go ahead and pry out the port board or PCB. Like that. Set the unit aside, and now we have the PCB ready to be worked on. All right, now let's go ahead and take off the port. Now while the air gun is heating up, it's good to note that there are two types of port PCBs that UE makes. One's with two mics, and one's with, like this one, just has one mic on one side. Now this one did not break off. It comes like that from the factory, so just to know that if your unit has one mic, it is not damaged. That's how UE makes the other ones. Now let's go ahead and remove excess solder left behind. If you're having trouble, add some solder to the anchor holes here. Now with this port right here, PCB, as well as the, I believe, Boom 2, it is difficult to, I've never really had success soaking up all of the solder out of the anchor holes. So I'll be using another technique I've been doing with these ports here that work a little quicker. And so this is what I do. I will go ahead and get the new port here, sort of align it into the anchor holes. Let's pull this off. So align it here. Let's get it soldered from the back. Now that it's sort of seated, you can go ahead and add more flux and push it down with some sort of surface here. I'll use the top of this Omni vise. All right, it's slowly getting seated. All right, it's fully seated in place. Let's clean this up. solder the pins to their pads. Looks like I got some solder on the actual housing, so let's go ahead and remove that with some wick. There we go, that looks pretty good. If you want to test whether or not all of the pins are soldered nice onto their pads, you can just nudge them with a flathead or some sort of utensil and see if they move. These look good. All right. Let's go ahead and get this back together. Like so. Get the inner ring in. And lastly, this mesh here. Now let's get the unit back here and install this port back in place. Be sure to press it down equally on all of the sides so that it sits right in place. Give it a little nudge. If you hear that click, that means it clicked in. Like that. And finally, clip it together. And there you go. That's a port replacement on a UE Megaboom speaker. If you would like to get this serviced or you would like to purchase the port part, we can provide you with that. Link should be in the description.